Hello student, good morning student. Today I will tell about the topics public facilities. In the lesson development, this is the first lesson of economics. So student, that is very important topic, public facilities. Public facilities means the kind of all the facilities which are provided by the government on the collective forms. Means when we get more than number of facilities by the any organization, any institution or the government, that is known as a public facilities. Public facilities are very important because one person cannot arrange, cannot buy, cannot purchase all the things, all the material on the given money, on the money which is kept in the pocket. Means our pocket is not very sufficient money inside that can help us to, that can support us to buy or purchase all the product which are very important to help us to live well a good life. So student, we can say well Punjab, which is performing well in the per capita income, but rather than it is not performing in the other areas, because if we discuss about the indicators such as the health, such as the education, such as the schools where the students performance is not good, means in the number wise, and the children health is not very cure at the age of 1 year, so we can say this is not the good, you will say, condition for the Punjab, because Kerala is performing well in the comparison of Punjab, because not only it is showing the result in the income, but it is not equal to the Punjab, but in the other areas, other field, it is performing well, such as the health and education, because health where we can see that the IMR, infant mortality rate, which is very much higher in India, means the children which are very luckiest who are alive after the 1 year, means they are getting the more of the facilities which can cure their health for the, we will say, any kind of the bad condition of the environment or any kind of the disease. And second thing, the, we will say, education, the children who are going to school at the age group from 6 to 10 at the net attendance ratio, it is also performing well, as well their literacy rate or the level is very higher. It is very much higher in the whole the state of India, means more than 91%. Even the sex ratio is very good for Kerala, so we can say it is good. Means the person who want to get the lot of benefit in the surroundings, so he is not able to get all the kind of facilities. If one person he can arrange, maybe he can be the millionaire son, but whole the societies cannot get all the facilities. If whole the societies have to get the all kind of the, will say, standard of their life, education level, health level, then whole the societies have to be protected by the vaccination. Whole the societies have to, you will say, able to get the proper education facilities as they are provided by the government, and all the societies have to get all the facilities at the health level, means primary, secondary, and all the levels should provide the good you will say facilities for the education and health. As you know very well that money cannot help you to buy all the necessary things or facilities, because you are not capable, but you can approach them collectively. Collectively means the things which cannot provide you, means you have to go to the government, you have to approach to the government, then you will get all the facilities. But government provide these facilities in the form of collective forms, in the form of you will say these facilities has been given to the public in the community resources which are provided by the government, which are provided by the different government at the different level. So obviously the person can get the benefit, but one person cannot purchase or the arrange all the things which may help them to live well a good life, because the reason is that uh, all the people of the societies, means the same, people of the same societies cannot buy or purchase all the things, because it can be the capacity of 1% or 2% or more than 10%, but 1 lakh population is living in the societies or the community, then they can not arrange all the things which can help them to live a good life. Private facilities require money, but government services provide collectively to the whole communities. Means if you have to get the lot of good facilities for your health, then whole the societies need to be vaccinated, otherwise you cannot be protected, or your societies cannot be protected from the kind of a disease. Maybe the disease can be the fatal, and whole the societies, if it is not vaccinated, then obviously it will impact over your health also, because some disease can be the communicable disease, and where the one person cannot be very safe if the whole societies or the communities is not protected by the vaccination. So obviously you can better understand, student, then the services of good health and education is not a sole responsibility, but it require awareness of the people. Means this is not the kind of one hand responsibilities of the good health or the good education, because if you get the good facilities from the government, obviously you should not depend over the government in the whole position, because your awareness must be very important, because your awareness works there, because the reason is that if you alert, if you are aware, and if you are acknowledge about many of the things about the government, or you can you will say alert the government, you can knock the government at the right time, then obviously they can provide all the facilities which may help you to live well a good life, because the reason is that the government become more responsible at the time when you are showing your alertness, when you are showing your awareness, and that times the whole societies will get the result. Obviously 100% people are not showing their awareness. If more than 40% people are showing their awareness, obviously it will, I will say, impact over the whole societies, and whole societies will be protected from any kind of the fatal disease if they are aware, and the government also be aware, and that's why they are giving the more and more vaccination. You heard about India is the first country in the world in the vaccination area, where they are providing more than 2 crores vaccination a day. It may be the populations of the Australia. I means our India, our country is giving the vaccination for a one country daily. That is the achievement, that is the performance of the country is well. Then obviously it will also help to well a good life. So obviously student, you heard me and you enjoy me today. If any kind of the problem if you are facing, you can comment it, and please share my video, please comment on it, and like my video also. Thank you to listen me and watching me. Bye bye student.